If you are looking for a budget Bluetooth speaker with lots of connectivity options, then watch this video till end. In this video we will be doing the review of Zebronics Dice Bluetooth speaker. From the variety of budget Bluetooth speakers available in the market, I ordered this Zebronics Dice from Amazon.in at the price of around 550 rupees. So this is how its box look like. So these are the specifications printed on the box. We will talk about them later in this video. Now let's see what we get in the box after unboxing it. So in the box we get this dice shaped Bluetooth speaker, user manual, aux cable and the USB cable. We don't get the USB charger lock in this box. And also we get this 400 mAh BL5C battery, which we can install at the bottom of this speaker as shown in this video. You just have to simply insert the battery in the battery compartment given at the bottom of this Bluetooth speaker. With 1 hour of charging, it gives approximately 1.5 hours of battery backup. Let's take a physical overview of the speaker. So at the bottom in this black region you get the physical control buttons on one side, and on the other side you get the ports to connect USB and microSD card, aux cable and other things. And also you get this RGB LED lights above this black region and at the top of the speaker. It's available in total 4 colors and its price fluctuates from 550 to 900 rupees. Along with the built-in mic, we get these 5 physical buttons which can be used to control different functions. Talking about connectivity, you can connect your smartphone with aux cable and Bluetooth. Also you can use your USB and microSD card directly. Now let's check its audio quality when we connect our smartphone using the Bluetooth.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything, lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your heart, feel it in your head, feel it on your fingers, disappear in your head. Let your body go, let your body go, let your body go. Move to the rhythm. linger, linger between the words to say.
So as you can listen, the audio quality of this speaker is very loud and clear. The sound quality, connectivity options, the LED lighting are definitely the pros of this Bluetooth speaker. And talking about the cons, the only con I found is that the battery. But you can also replace the battery. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it and subscribe my channel for more awesome video. My name is Tushar and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be happy and do something constructive.